What's up, son? What you doing down there? You gonna come up here? All right. Bing, bang, boom. Oh. Bounce?
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa. You okay? All right. Oh, what you doing? You chasing me? Good job. Yeah. What's going down, beautiful people? We had a couple of rainy days. It's August 7th, so we're just checking out what's going on the porch garden. I took those 2 cucumbers off the vine, so I have 2 small cucumbers growing. I think that's going to be the end of that cucumber vegetation. But let's check out the rest of the garden real quick, see what's going on. Little caterpillars and whatnot. So as you can see, our bunching onion is still growing. Look at this coriander. Now the tomatoes have grown up, and you can see they're real long. And we might be able to get some flowers, some bulbs coming out of some of these. I'm gonna have to come and prune it a little bit. Jalapeno plant. We're gonna get some jalapenos. Check that out. Now, unfortunately, that rain brought some bugs out, so you can see there's holes in my kale. Nobody likes that. But again, we're bringing out caterpillars. I'm trying to propagate some watermelon out of this one. Speaking of watermelons, let's check this out. Look at that. Watermelon. We have this watermelon. We have this watermelon. We have that watermelon. And then we have, I don't know if y'all can see it, that watermelon. Bok choy got big, but look at bugs. Trying to propagate another watermelon, and look, watermelon, baby cucumber, little cucumber, and then on this side we have our spinach, onions, basil, spinaches, kale, bugs, more jalapenos, and look at that watermelon down there. So yeah, that's what we got going on out here, and it's always wonderful to see. We'll try to save some of our plants from some of these critters, but all in all, it's been a great growing season. I'm excited to finish it out, see what I can do, and hopefully you've been inspired by it and you could do it also. Thanks for being here along the way. Just stopping through for these little updates just to see how the garden grows. Little flowers, and look, little broccoli. So unfortunately, we're not going to get a full head of broccoli because I can already see that it wants to start flowering. Yeah, it's like growing little broccolis on the side, little spuds. But that's okay. We'll take what we can get, and we're just glad to see what we can do. All right, let me do a quick little feed and a little water, and then I'll catch you on the next one.